Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, finally the chief called the meeting. I'm excited and I'm nervous because we don't know what is she going to say. And they said the head of state will be there on Monday, coming Monday. So I am so excited, nervous at the same time. So guys, asazi umhlangano uzophuma la yiphi decision. Ngoba manje hey kushubile guys. But keep on praying for us. Keep on praying for us ukuthi yonke into ihambe kahle ngeMonday. Basitshele different story and exciting news. Ngoba guys, asingeke sikhone ukusaqala phansi again. Ngeke sikhone ukudinga stand again. Siphinde siqale phansi ukwakha ngoba libonile kule video indlu sikuphi. So ngeke sakhona ukwakha again. Ngeke sakhona ukuqala phansi guys. We have used all of our savings. So ngeke sakhona guys. Ngeke sakwazi. But please keep on praying for us. Subscribe to my channel. Please keep on praying for us so that a Monday meeting will come with good news. Me, I'm tired guys. I'm tired. I want to go home. Yeah. Since I started thinking of relocating back home, my mind is always there. When they talk about that stand and my house, I feel like, oh my God, please protect that house, guys. But I'm so excited now. The chief called the meeting. Let's hope Monday we'll get good news. I'll come here telling you the good news about the stand that we have to continue building as bebesimisi ukwakha